Hello everyone, it's Stephanie Manley with HappyCat.com. Today I don't really have a recipe, but I have a great tip for you to really make your brownies taste amazing. They're called Milky Way Brownies, and guess what? There's Milky Way candy bars in these brownies. So you're going to grab your favorite brownie mix, one that makes an 8 by 8 inch pan full of brownies, and go ahead and mix it up according to your package directions. And then after you get it mixed up, you're simply going to put these Milky Way candy bars that you've chopped up into the brownie mix. Now, you could try this with Snicker bars. You could also try it with Reese's peanut butter cups. And another thing that I've done to kind of just amp up my brownies is I will go ahead and just bake them up like I normally would according to the package directions. And then when I take them out of the oven, I put a bunch of creamed mints on top and just kind of let those melt on top. But that's all there is to this recipe, really. It's not even a recipe, it's really just a quick suggestion. Grab you a couple Milky Way candy bars and pop them in there and let them bake up. It takes about 20-25 minutes to make this. And the Milky Ways, the caramel does something magical in here when it bakes up, as does that nougat center. So go ahead and give these really easy Milky Way brownies a try. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to let me know what you'd like to see next.